What do you want? Horses? Bushes? No. I don't want any of that. Why? Yes.
Go to bed.
Yes. What is it? What is precious? Why? No, no. It just wants the bed, Precious. It just wants to sleep. It wants to dream and have happy dreams. No, no. It can't have happy dreams again. It's not allowed. It's not allowed. Yes. Yes, it is. Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. No. Smeagol says no. He's good. No. Yes, I don't understand why. Why is it not allowed? Why? If it wants to sleep and wants to dream, it says no. It's not allowed, Precious. It's not allowed. But that doesn't make any sense. Why can't it just wants to sleep. It just wants to sleep. It just wants to sleep and be peaceful. It's not allowed to be peaceful. But what I don't understand, you don't have to understand, but I want to. I just want to understand why. Why, just tell me why. I'm not telling you anything. Well, then I'm just going to leave. You're not allowed. Yes, I am. No. Yes. No. Well, then I'll just sit here. What do you think about that, huh? He's not allowed. Precious.
Okay. Bedtime.
Bedtime?